know when you guys are applying for credit cards, like through the shopping cart trick and some other credit card companies out there, when you guys have fraud, a lot of times they do deny you. And if they deny you, sometimes they won't. Well, I want to say deny you. If they don't deny you, usually they'll say, "Hey, give us 7 to 10 business days. We'll respond to you." That's just because they want to verify your identity. Then they'll go ahead and give you that credit card. But a lot of times, the shopping cart trick, you got fraud alerts, automatically you're going to get denied. Like they're not even going to try to give you the credit card. You might not even pop up. So keep that in mind. Now, not all companies, like I said, is going to deny you. Some companies will actually reach out to you and they will ask for, verification from you. Once they have their verification, they'll be happy to extend credit to you. But just keep in mind that when you have those fraud alerts, it's going to be harder. Now, some people have fraud alerts on their account and they don't need fraud alerts like on their account. Your account already messed up, and maybe you really didn't have the fraud on there. Maybe you asked to remove like an inquiry. Now they put this big fraud alert on there. When you guys are in that situation, I tell people just to remove the fraud alert. Sometimes when you try to remove inquiry, they want to just put that fraud alert on there. That fraud alert is not good. So tell them, please don't add that on my account because it's going to be harder for me to get credit cards. Now, if you guys want to lock your credit reports and then when you want to apply for it, then apply for something, then that would be good. But don't just put a fraud alert on there like, "Hey, call me before you extend credit," or "This is my phone." I wouldn't suggest you guys do that. Just lock it. And when you want to apply for something, you just open it back up. You